On the plateau, a successful hunt is rare, and failure sometimes can be fatal. The land itself is an adversary. Movement here is costly. Every step through deep snow demands efforts. Every climb steals breath. There is always a rivalry of predators in the Tibetan Plateau. The Pallas Cat against the Tibetan Fox. Unlike other predators, this hunter lives alone. It is one of the smallest wild cat, but still able to face with Tibetan Fox. An animal showdown. Rivalry for territory and prey. Relying on stillness more than the speed. It does not chase, it listens. And when the moment comes, it strikes with surgical precision. The plateaus support more than one predator. Pallas Cat in one side, and the Tibetan Fox in other. Patrol those same slope. Lighter and more adaptable. Rare encounter. Compete directly with each other. They survive through timing and intelligence. On this plateau, survival often depends less on the strength, and often more on knowing where to stay unseen. The Pallas Cat and Tibetan Fox back and forth each other for the dominance in the territory. They hunt the same prey, small birds and voles. Tibetan Fox couple does not appreciate the presence of Pallas Cat in their territory. It is a rivalry for survival. Pallas Cat is in disadvantage. Brave enough to protect itself with the instinct of survival. But the pressure from the fox is too high, with high risk to get injury. The cat decides to fly away. Even a vulture is uninvited in territory of Tibetan Fox. The scale of this land is difficult to grasp. Territory stretch for hundreds square of kilometers. Encounters between animals are rare, and the silence dominates the air. Wolves emerge from a kill site, jaw clenched, round frozen flesh. This is not excess. This is the insurance. Here they are the most dominant predators. The one who owned the plateau. Here animals must balance risk and reward with every decision. In this environment, isolation is not loneless. It is a strategy. Fewer competitors mean better odds if prey can be found. Even a livestock guardian dog in this territory, they act like a half-wild. Exposed to wind and watchful eyes. Near the edge of the frozen water lies a prize. A carcass large enough to sustain multiple predators. Whether wild or domestic, this animal death becomes a lifeline for others. And the livestock guardian dog in this area, they are opportunists. Feed quickly, aware that they are not alone in this sensing opportunity. In the thin mountain air, The scent of the carrion travel for kilometers and attract other predators. The wolf is watching in the distance, waiting for its turn. The wild prey is rare and prefer the cliff. From the ridgeline, the plateaus stretch endless. No borders, no shelter, no mercy. Yet life continues. Adapt, resilience, and yield. Every creature here walks a narrow line between hunger and survival. Strength helps. Instinct guides. But endurance, the ability to persist despite the odds. High above dark shaped circle, vulture. Masters of patience, their bold heads, often misunderstood, are perfectly adapted for feeding inside carcass, without falling feathers. They are the nature sanitation crew. They waiting at a distance, respecting the wolf claim, but they know time is on for their side. When the predator leaves, the bird will descend, leaving little behind. The blue sheep is hard prey to reach by the wolf, but not untouchable. The snow leopard is the king of the Himalayan mountain, the spirit of the plateau. They patrol the mountain in silence. Panthera onychia, a smoky gray rosette, make this predator stealth. The perfect camouflage for the rocky terrain. A shadow who come to collect souls. Usually a solitary predator. High altitude and rugged mountain are the perfect environment for this ghost. Calm, patient, and ready to strike. With precision surgical attack. Eurasian lynx has its place in Tibetan Plateau. Fast and sharp, specialized for birds and small mammal. The first attack is decisive for this predator. If the gap between prey and a predator starts to increase, the chances for the successful hunt are low. The plateau is never still. Wind reshape the snow, erase track, and redraw the boundaries of the survival. Hunting is only part of survival. Rest is just as vital. In extreme cold, energy becomes forms of currency. Every unnecessary movement wastes heat the body struggles to replace. Patience is not laziness here, it is a strategy. A fox moves through broken rock and wind-carved ridge. Smaller than wolf, it survived through the versatility. Its diet shifts with opportunity. Rodents, birds, insects, even scraps left behind by large predators. But every step carries risk. Large predators like wolf and even starvation itself are constant threats. The high plateau offers no guarantees. Each sunrise begins a new test of endurance. Each nightfall is a small victory.